Hey everyone, welcome back, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use CyberGhost VPN and giving you a brief rundown on all the features it has to offer. So if you're new to CyberGhost and want to use it to its full potential or just checking out what the service has to offer, this video is for you. And without further ado, let's get started. Also, if at any point in this video you'd like to check out CyberGhost, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. Now, before I give you a tutorial on CyberGhost, it's important to note that this video is meant for educational purposes only, and I do not support any illegal activities such as copyright infringements using this application. So please make sure that your online actions are responsible and in line with your country's policies and regulations. So the first thing you'll find when you open the application is the best server option, which will automatically connect you to whatever server CyberGhost thinks is best for you. Now, if you look here at the left side, you'll see a menu of all CyberGhost options, so let's go through them one by one. Starting with all servers, this will open up a menu of all CyberGhost available servers, and you'll get to choose from 7,000 servers across 90+ countries. Right below it, you'll find the dedicated IP server option, which is a paid feature that would give you an IP that is only for you and no one else. Next are going to be the no spy servers, which are pretty useful if you're looking for a little bit more anonymity. And the last three are going to be CyberGhost optimized servers for gaming, streaming, and torrenting. In the gaming section, you'll get a list of the servers that are specifically for gaming, and you'll also get to see how much ping you'll be getting when you connect to any of them. As for the streaming server section, you can pick and choose between servers depending on what content you want to watch. For example, if you want to watch shows from the US Netflix library, you can just type in Netflix US in the search bar and it'll give you a server optimized just for that. Moving on to privacy settings, you'll see three features that you can toggle on and off, which are the ad blocker, DNS leak prevention, and the kill switch. Now, if you don't know what a kill switch is, it basically cuts your connection to the internet in case the VPN disconnects for whatever reason, which would prevent your data from being leaked. Next, we have the Smart Rules menu, which is divided into a couple of sections, as you can see. First, you have the launch rules that you can customize, such as connecting to a specific server when you launch the app, whether or not you want to delay the connection, and apps that would launch automatically when you're connected to the VPN server. Next, we have the Wi-Fi protection right here, which you can choose which networks to trust and which ones not to. And in exceptions, you can choose which websites you don't want to pass through the VPN tunnel, which is pretty useful when multitasking. And last but not least, there's the app rules section, where you set CyberGhost to automatically launch and connect to a specific VPN when you start certain applications. And finally, we have the settings menu right here, where you can customize your connection. As you can see, you can change what protocol the VPN is using, such as WireGuard, which is my favorite as it's the best performing protocol, OpenVPN, and IKEv2. Though I do recommend to keep these two in auto since not all servers support all protocols. CyberGhost would just choose the best protocol automatically whenever you connect to a specific server. Now, keep these two settings right here toggled on, and don't use TCP instead of UDP as it's slower unless you're looking for extra security. So that's pretty much it for CyberGhost. It's a great VPN service with a simplistic design, a remarkable number of servers, and a handful of pretty neat features. Keep in mind that you can use this VPN up to 7 devices, and your subscription includes a 45 money-back guarantee, which is pretty generous. And that's it for today's video. Again, if you're interested in CyberGhost, you'll find all the useful links, including discounts, in the description down below. And feel free to comment below if you have any questions, as I love getting to interact with you guys. And like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or would like to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.